Okay, it is, I think it's August 1st actually. Heg and I came up for a weekend. We had a bad wood delivery last week during our last week of vacation, but the wood arrived on Friday night, so we came up early Saturday morning. Haga put a final coat. No, not a final coat, a first coat of primer or thinned out oil on all of the windows. So that's progress. They look good. Nice white, smooth. And I think we got here at noon on Saturday afternoon and worked until 11 o'clock at night when we could not see. Literally couldn't see anymore. It's making pencil marks and I realized it was dangerous. So we stopped and ate dinner at 11:30. But we got a lot done. Never feels like enough, but I think it was actually a lot because these pieces of lumber are actually quite massive and they are heavy. I was kind of put there. Let's see, what do we got? There they are. I'm trying to think of what it is in inches. 3.5 by 7.5, so like 4 by 8s. They're 8 centimeters, 8 by 18 centimeters, which we had cut. It's a non-standard size, but we thought it was the size we settled on because we thought it was pretty. It was aesthetically the right size. Anyway, so yesterday was all about getting this ring beam up, also of 4 by 8 material and same stuff. And then I managed to get 6 joists in by myself last night, which felt really great. I slept like a log. And Heg and I just finished putting the last 2 in, and now we're gonna start laying flooring on top of it. It just feels so good. And this is, I mean, talk about overbuilding. I have a real weakness for it, a real tendency to do it. And it's probably one that I should have, at least I've gotten to a point where I can admit it now and I see it. But unfortunately, I think I like it, so I continue to do it, even when it's not necessary. But this will all be exposed, and that's my rationale for it. We're going to sand these and oil them, and because it's not really going to be a garage, it's going to be all kinds of stuff for a long time. A workshop, maybe a sleeping area, who knows. But we will certainly never have any problem about whatever happens on top as far as construction goes, because this thing could support four stories, I'm sure. Or we could park the car up there. It's huge. Okay, so I'll probably take one more film after, if we could somehow miraculously get all the flooring down today. And the flooring, actually, call it flooring, is just raw lumber. It's milled. It's standard lumber though. It's milled lumber. This is, what is this? These are 3 by 6s. And the idea behind this is that it'll look good from below, or pretty good from below, where it'll be exposed. And on top, we're gonna probably put another sort of typical plate subfloor. And if it turns out that we're building a greenhouse up there, which I think I'm pretty sure we've settled on that. Then we probably have some kind of a stone tile. So we'll have to level it and put some sort of a tile bed down. Anyway, so that layer won't really matter. And oh, also the other thing that's made me very happy, everything is perfectly level, which was I tried really hard to achieve that, but I always doubted that it was going to happen. But it turns out it's really good. All right, shut up and do something.